आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एनिमल टिश्यू के रिगार्डिंग. एज वी हैव read that animal tissue, they are the living, they are soft, complex. As they are living, so they divide throughout the life, and when they divide throughout the life, that means they need more energy. So these are the properties of the animal tissue, that is living है, soft है, complex है, divide throughout the life, and they needs more energy. So on the basis of the function, the complexity and the structure, the animal tissues are divided into types, that is 4 types. It is on the basis of their function, on the basis of the structure, etc. The one tissue is epithelial tissue. Another tissue is muscular tissue. Next tissue is connective tissue, and the 4th tissue is nervous tissue. What is? Number 1 is epithelial tissue, 2 is muscular tissue, 3 is connective tissue, and 4th is nervous tissue. As epithelial tissue, it forms the covering of the organs, as well as the body organs outside as well as inside. The muscular tissue found inside the body, all the muscles are there, they all are made by this kind of a tissue. Connective tissue connects the different body organs like blood, like bones, like cartilages, right? These all are the different kinds of the tissues, that is the connective tissue. And the nervous tissue is a special kind of a tissue found in our brain or spinal cord, which helps to senses the thing or send the messages from one part to another, from organ to the body or from body to organ. That's so. First of all, we are going to discuss the tissue that is epithelial tissue. So epithelial tissue, they form the covering of the body organs, internal as well as the external. Even our body is covered by the layer, that is epithelial tissue. If we say inside the body there is lungs, maybe the kidney, many other organs are there, stomach is there. Inner side as well as outer side, it is covered by, suppose I am making here a kidney. As this kidney is here, this kidney, the outer layer, it is covered by the one membrane, as well as the inner layer also covered by the one membrane. So these tissue, those forming the coverings, these tissue are known as the epithelial tissue. They are thin, flattened cell, tightly packed. No intercellular space is there, form the covering, and the function is protection as well as separation the organs from the body cavity. Again, on the basis of structure and the function, there are 4 kind of. 1, the squamous epithelial tissue, squamous epithelial tissue, then stratified squamous epithelial tissue, then cuboidal epithelial tissue, and the 4th one is columnar epithelial tissue. It is on the basis of the structure as well as the function. 1, the squamous epithelial tissue, the cells of this tissue is a flat, thin cell wall and the single layer. They form only single layer here, right? And these cell helps in the protection. Here you can see the diagram, only single cell layers are there. Especially the linings of the mouth, the esophagus, the nasal cavity, they all contains this kind of a tissue, this kind of a layer. Another kind of a tissue is that stratified squamous tissue. The cells of the tissue is similar as the squamous, means flat and thin cell wall, but it is a multi-layered. Many layers are there, maybe 5 to 6 layers are there. This is, you can see, stratified squamous tissue, many layers are there, and our skin is made up of this kind of a tissue. Skin contains only this kind of a tissue, that is a stratified squamous epithelial tissue, which helps to protect the body organs, the skin, body, etc. Then next one is the cuboidal tissue. As the name is given, cuboidal means cells are what is cube shaped cells are there. and the function of the cell is secretion as well as a protection. You can see here cuboidal cells, right? Sometimes this tissue forms the glands, then known as a glandular tissue, and these glandular cuboidal tissue function is secretion. Most of the glands, they contain this kind of a tissue, that is a cuboidal glandular tissue. Another kind of a tissue is there is a columnar tissue, columnar epithelial. As the name, cells has the pillar shape, column shape, columnar shape. You can say here the cells are pillar shape, cylindrical shaped cells are there, uninucleate, and the function is same, that is the protection. They are found in the esophagus, they are found in the stomach, they are found in the alimentary canal. Sometimes they have hairy structures, and when they have the hairy structures, known as a ciliated. What is ciliated columnar tissue? And the function is that absorption. Especially intestine में villi मिलते हैं, and villi contains this kind of cells. उसके अलावा what is uninephros tubule में मिलते हैं, they also helps to ciliated cells are there. So these are the different kinds of epithelial tissue, that is squamous, stratified, cuboidal and columnar. So here next tissue is muscular tissue. In this kind of a tissue, that means these tissue are elongated cells, fibers are there, that means they are made by a special kind of a protein, and the name of protein is contractile protein, fibrous tissue, and they provide the motion in the body. Because of this only the body is able to move, whether it is on our will or without will. These tissue are help to move the body. On the basis of the structure and the function, the tissue are divided into three categories. The muscles are divided. One, the voluntary muscles, or also known as skeletal muscles. Second one is involuntary muscles or the smooth muscles, and third one is the cardiac muscles. The voluntary muscles, that means act on your will. If I want to move the hand, then the muscles are working here, bicep, the tricep is here. The finger, if I want to write, the muscles are there, those help, the contact or the relax. These are voluntary muscles or the skeletal muscles, because these are found in throughout the body. सबसे ज़्यादा यही muscles body में मिलते हैं, that's why known as skeletal muscles. इनका एक और नाम है striation muscles. मीन्स अगर स्ट्रक्चर वाइज देखें, शेप में देखें, तो व्हाट इज स्टीरेशनदार है, इनमें स्टीरेशन मिलते हैं, पैचेस, बैंड्स मिलते हैं, दीज आर, दैट्स व्हाई स्ट्रेटेड मसल्स. दे आर सिलिंड्रिकल शेप, unbranched, uninucleate at the striated. This is structure. What is सिलिंड्रिकल की शेप में है, अनब्रांच्ड है, यूनिन्यूक्लिएट है और बैंड्स मिलते हैं, बैंड्स ऑफ स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ प्रोटीन अगेन. दे वर्क्स ऑन अ विल, हम जैसा चाहते हैं वैसे काम करते हैं. दे शो द फटीग, दैट्स व्हाई दे शो द थकान और द फटीग. द फाउंड इन द वेयर द फाउंड, दे आर फाउंड इन द लिम्स, हाथ में, पैर में, मैनी बॉडी ऑर्गन्स दे आर फाउंड देयर. The mouth, if I want to speak, my muscles are there, they are moving. Similarly, another kind of a tissue is there, that is the involuntary muscles or the smooth muscles. They do not work according to our will, that means do not work according to will, they work self. Shape wise, the shape is spindle shape, pointed at the both end. If I make the shape here, it is like that. This is spindle biconvex, and they are multinucleated. बहुत सारे न्यूक्लियस मिलते हैं. What is multinucleate? First of all, they are the spindle shape, they are the multinucleated, they do not work according to our will. They also show some fatigue, इनमें भी थकान होती है, but lesser, and especially found in the internal organs like kidney, it is found there, like lungs, it is found there, Liver, it's found there. So many organs are there, those are containing this one. What is? Kidney hai, lungs hai, liver hai, they all are found there. The next muscles is there, the cardiac muscles. Shape, ये भी कैसी होती हैं? ये cylindrical हैं, they are cylindrical but branched. They are having the branch. They are having the striation. इनमें भी bands मिलते and uninucleate. What is? Cylindrical shape है, branched है, striation है and uninucleate. Only one nucleus. This as you can see here. Do not work according to will. Do not. They work self. No fatigue. कोई थकान नहीं है. And they are found only in our heart. सिर्फ हार्ट में मिलते हैं. And they works throughout the life without any fatigue. So another kind of a tissue is connective tissue, as the name, connective. It connects the body parts. The cells are loosely spaced and embedded in the matrix. Matrix is a kind of a material that is a jelly-like and sometimes a denser, more denser. So they form the hard structures also. So on the basis of the structure and the functions, the connective tissue are divided into 8 categories. They are blood. We all have seen the blood. It is a fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. Reddish in color, composed of many things. एक इसमें प्लाज्मा पार्ट मिलता है which is a liquid part, प्लाज्मा, और एक इसमें पार्ट मिलता है कार्पसल्स. प्लाज्मा लिक्विड पार्ट विच कंटेन्स ऑक्सीजन, जिसमें ऑक्सीजन घुली हुई होती है, जिसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होती है, जिसमें फूड मटेरियल, सब कुछ इसी फॉर्म में होता है. दैट मीन्स इट हेल्प्स टू ट्रांसपोर्ट द थिंग्स. ऑल द थिंग्स इज ट्रांसपोर्टेड बाय द प्लाज्मा. कार्पसल्स आर 3, दैट इज द आरबीसीज, डब्ल्यूबीसीज एंड प्लेटलेट्स. They have the different structure and perform the different functions. जैसे RBC का जो major function है, it helps to transport the O2 and the CO2 because containing a pigment known as a hemoglobin. WBC, they help to increase the immunity, that means fight against the germs, the foreign bodies. Platelets help to clotting of the blood. Then we have another kind of a tissue, the lymph. It is also fluid connective tissue found outside the cells. The composition is similar to the blood except the blood protein. इसमें blood protein नहीं होती है and if something wants to take or the discharge, it helps there. Bone is another kind of a tissue. Hard, non-flexible, strong, made up of calcium or the phosphorus. The cells are embedded in the hard matrix, that is. Its a major function, plays very important role. What role it plays? I am telling you. It provides us support. Shape of the body. Help in the motion as well as protection. So what? It supports the body, provides the shape, helps the motion as well as the protection. That's a bone. Another tissue is there, cartilage. It's a flexible, strong but flexible. As bones are non-flexible, it is a strong but flexible, right? And the cells are embedded in the solid matrix which is made by the protein and the sugar. It also has matrix, but the matrix is made up of organic substances. Earlier it was made by the inorganic substances like calcium and the phosphorus. Especially the bones found in the ear, the nose, trachea, they all are. And at the end of the bones, where it providing the cushion, means prevent the bones by the wearing and tearing. So these are the function of cartilage. Another kind of a tissue, ligament. These are the filamentous tissue. Ligament and the tendons, these two are the filamentous tissue, fibrous, and they made by the special protein. They are the strong, elastic, and this one contains very less matrix. This is the ligament, and helps to connect one bone to another, join the bone from one to another. And the tissue, that is tendon, also strong, very strong, but very less flexible, or we can say zero flexible. It connects bone to the muscles. And the tissue, areolar tissue, the fluid kind of a tissue. It's a fluid type of tissue. It is found in the cavities between the skin and the organs. So it fills the cavities and protect the body. Another tissue, adipose tissue. Fat is stored in the form of this kind of a tissue. The cells having made up of this, they contains the fats in the global forms, and this kind of a tissue is found, this type of tissue is found below the skin. So these are the different kind of connective tissue. Our next tissue is nervous tissue. It is a special tissue, and it has ability to transmit the stimulus from one to another very rapidly. The tissue is made by the cell. These cells are known as a neuron or nerve cell. Here I have made one neuron cell, the nerve cell. Nerve cell has two parts. One, the indefinite, the body known as a cyton. Another is a part axon. The cyton has finger-like structures known as the dendrites. It contains one nucleus as well as a cytoplasm. The dendrites are the small finger-like structures or hairy structures. One of these dendrite increases in the enlarges, and this which enlarges known as the axon. It has the covering of special cells. This covering is known as a myelin sheath, and the cells are neurolima sheaths. Here you can see some places where this is not found. It's known as the Ranvier nodes, not in the CBSE syllabus. The ending, knob ending at the one of the side, it forms again knob-like structures known as the telodendrites. The axon of one connects with a dendrite of the other neuron cells. So they help to transmit the message from one to another, especially our brain, spinal cord. Brain is there, spinal cord is there, as well as the nerves are there. They all are made by this, and they help to transmit the message either from brain to organ or organ to brain, organ to spinal cord or spinal cord to organ, and they transmit the message very rapidly. That is the beauty of this tissue.